हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू द अनदर सेशन ऑफ इश्यू ऑफ डिबेंचर। हम बात कर रहे थे इश्यू ऑफ डिबेंचर फॉर कंसिडरेशन अदर देन कैश। अब तक जो बातें हमने पढ़ ली हैं, दैट इज इश्यू ऑफ डिबेंचर फॉर बाइंग एन एसेट, इश्यू ऑफ डिबेंचर to the promoters for their promotional services, and issue of debentures as purchase consideration when the company is buying or taking over another business. Now, the last topic of this, last subtopic of this main topic is left, that is issue of debenture to the underwriters. I hope all of you know what is underwriting. Underwriters are the people who help company to sell the shares. These are actually the financial institutions who promise companies, who take some commission from the companies, and they promise them to sell the shares or debenture or any other securities. Let's say a financial institution has promised the company that it will help company to sell 10% shares. So 10% shares they will try to sell in the market or to their clients and all. And if they are not able to sell all 10% shares, so they will keep some whatever part is left. Let's say 10% was promised and they could sell only 6% to their clients. So what are they going to do? Remaining 4% they will not give back to the company, they themselves will buy. Okay, so company will have full assurance that this 10% is going to be sold if they assign underwriters, because underwriters are taking risk of not selling selling the debentures or any other security. So they normally charge commission, and which is like brokerage, etc. So this is not called brokerage, this is commission. So underwriting commission will be on the number of shares which they help to sell the company. That will be the underwriting commission. So where do we take out which amount is there on which we take out underwriting commission? So underwriting commission, let us write few things about this. Underwriting commission is given on the value of issue price, not value, issue price of debentures. If it is shares, in case of shares, it is shares, debentures multiplied by percentage of commission, that is underwriting commission. So what is important over here? This issue price. We do not take out this on face value. This issue price is taken. Issue price of the debentures. So if debentures are issued at discount, discount is issued price. Discounted price is issued price. If the debentures are issued at discount premium, then premium price is issued price. Then second most important thing is that whenever we open underwriting commission account, I will show you the entries, then you will come to know that underwriting commission. See, normally what is the entry? Entry is underwriting commission, since it is an expense. So expense accounts are debited, that is debited. Underwriting commission account debit to underwriters. See, पहली entry होती है. Second entry is what? Second entry is underwriters account debit to percentage debenture. जितना percent debentures आप उनको देने वाले हो, that you will credit. Now ये जो underwriting commission account open हुआ, this account has to be closed. Okay, so this account we will close in the same year. So I'm writing something about this underwriting commission account has to be written off in the same year and it can be written off from balance of security premium reserve if it exists, or from statement of profit and loss. Okay, now let us see the entries. What are the journal entries we pass? So the first entry is going to be Underwriting Commission, account debit to Underwriters. And how we are going to find out Underwriting Commission? This is issue price of debenture multiplied by percentage of commission. Second entry, when you make the payment, second entry is going to be Underwriters account debit to percentage debentures. When you are issuing at par. Again, like all other cases, there also can be three cases. Debentures can be issued at par, debentures can be issued at premium and at discount. So, second entry can be different if the debentures are issued to them at premium. So, in case debentures are issued to underwriters at premium, so underwriters account will be debited to percentage debenture and to securities premium account. This is issue at premium. In case you are issuing debentures at discount, so under writer's account will be debited. Discount on issue of debentures account will be debited. To percentage debenture. This is issue at discount. Now the last entry will be writing of underwriting commission. So if you have securities premium reserve balance available with you, you will write it off from there. So entry is going to be securities premium reserve account debit, or if it is not available, statement of profit and loss, or it is also a possibility that security premium reserve account is available but it does not have sufficient balance. In that case, statement of profit and loss will also be used to underwriting commission. Okay, so this is writing of entry. I hope this is very clear. So let us go to the next video, and in next video we will solve one question of underwriting commission. Bye.